Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how you can create any Excel sheet or PDF document in ChatGPT Premium. I will going to create a discounted cash flow model like Warren Buffett and creating an Excel sheet using ChatGPT Premium. If you're wondering which exact prompt I use, fear not, you will find it in the video description below. But just remember to give ChatGPT clearly the instructions that you're aiming for a functional Excel sheet. If you use the other prompt, use this tactic for another project. So first we type our prompt in the normal ChatGPT. Once you got your response from ChatGPT, the next step is to bring on the PDF Create plugin. To locate it, you simply head over to the plugin store, search only PDF, and there you can install it, and don't forget later to activate it when you use it for your project. With the plugin now activated, pass your previous prompt into the ChatGPT, and with the instructions create an Excel sheet or just make it work, and voila, ChatGPT will create an Excel sheet in a few minutes or seconds. And after downloading the Excel file, you open it, and it might be not a perfect picture initially, but that's where your personal touch comes in. Now I will tune my sheet. Let's say, for example, I will be working with the fixed earnings of a company of €1,000 or dollars annually, and I can adjust the discount rate of 10%, and I can see the total free cash flows and all vital figures that I have told the ChatGPT to include. If you want a more aggressive rate, you can try 60%. It's all customizable. In the end, this tool gives you a flexibility to shape your financial analysis as you fit and make your tasks significantly simpler. It is in the test phase, but it works really fine for me, especially if you're working with big numbers. But of course you can use it also for other tasks that you need help or are really repetitive. And now this was it with this video. I hope you find this tutorial insightful. If you're eager for more AI driven financial tips or general financial guidance, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.